Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we are live. What's good? Welcome. Come on in. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Let's get to it, man. Back in the office today. Feeling good. It's Friday, best day of the week, except for there's no trading tomorrow, but there's trading today. Lots in play this morning, man. I actually have a lot to look at. MEIP, I would say, is number one. Yo, what up, Trex? Good morning. We got MEIP, BZAI, UAVS, TELO. I got a couple cheapos over here, just kind of to watch, see how they trade. CPOP and NAOV. Not really expecting to trade those, but I don't know. I'm just kind of curious on my parameters. Yo, OG, MEIP, NAOV, private placement news. Wave Rider. What's good, bro? Yeah, OG, I like both of those, man. I like both of those. I like UAVS right here, bro. I'm telling you, man, I be wanting to take these pre-market setups sometimes. But we shall be patient. Mega Wave, bro. You and me both. You and me both. UAVS. Why do you say that? It's got a big float or something? Yeah, I like BZAI too. What is the float on? Oh, 71 million float. Is that why you say that, OG? 81. Oh, the price action. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I got my P&L covered up. I'm trying not to even think about where 1R or 2R or any of that is. I'm just gonna get in, and when it starts going up, we're gonna sell. I mean, like, first sign of some resistance, any significant, obvious time to sell, price getting hung up, run into a big wall. I'm gonna just hit the sell button, man. We'll sort it out later. Sort the R's out later. Focus on me. What's good? Appreciate it. Trendline Treasy in the building. Yeah. Yeah. NAOV. Yeah, the selling is weak sauce. Until it gets to a place I'm happy, then the selling is fire. But it's just I can't hit that first sale. Once that first sale happens, we good. So we're just gonna do it earlier. It's gonna hit it. Turn off this squawker. Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, I'm just gonna sell a partial. So um, if it keeps going, cool. If not, then we just make a little bit. But you just can't keep letting these micro moves go unfilled, unsold. Yeah. Three Pony. Good morning. um, Tilo 33 million at the market. Got in at 4.9. All right. Thought UAVS had a large float. I thought I saw 71 million, or was that 7 million? Did I mislook at that for UAVS? 13. Okay. All right. Okay. There is the bell. Let's see who's running out the gates. Mm, like UAVS over 2. Hey, good morning, Microdons Trading. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button for me on your way in, please. Yeah, that's kind of a nasty high right there on the 15 in pre-market. It breaks though. Man, C-pop go just from the pre-market 15, bro. Man, I be wanting to take this on the 15 so badly. Man, that 15 minute hammer from pre-market, bro. I've been watching that for a long time. Look, slappage. That's why you don't do it. That's why you don't do it. Every time I start getting excited, see this one too, man. Every time I start getting excited about a pre-market play, it gets slapped, and then I'll be like, "Yep." Well, not necessarily pre-market play, but that opening candle, boy. What it's gonna do? Like C-pop hauled it down. It's way too cheap though. China with some fluff PR. Yeah, that's all I need to hear. NALV. Ooh, that's a nice one. Tank got slapped though. That's daily too. Oh, there goes UAVS up to pre-market high. NAOV. Hey, morning knives. Yeah, you're right. What's the deal, Knives? Hey, Paul, Uncle Paul in the house. Yes, sir. Easy AI halted down. No, just trading down. Just trading down. I hear that. Yo, UAVS is going up. Going up. We can pull back on the 15 on that joker. Either. All right. Tilo looking rough out here. Did they dump them shares? Rough out here. MEIP halted down. Nothing too violent. X-Pawn. $80K Waller, a few pennies. Huh. X-Pawn. Got news on that joint? Oh. Oh yeah, 135. So you scale in, huh? I thought about that. Thought about taking entries on the 15 and then if it follows through, adding, and if it doesn't, just tightening my stop to the 5. A lot of exciting things, a lot of exciting places this thing can go when I get over the hurdle of inconsistently following my rules. It's gonna be a whole new world. Rules, man. That's funny. What up, Red? Aladdin. uh, 12 rows of seller on the same price level. Yeah, I hate that too. They it's flying through them though, kinda. 1 penny increments. I mean, I love thickly traded stocks. I don't. That's actually just seeing that is enough for me to take it off. Honestly, what's up with this guy? This looks pretty thick too over here on Telo. Telomere Pharmaceutical. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. Yeah, that's much better. That's much better. I'm learning OG. I had 6 up here at the beginning that I was watching, and I'm down to 2. What up, Santa? Yeah. 27 seconds on MEIP. Sit on BZAI, nothing else, huh? All right, here. Okay. 564. That's hilarious. Cutting through them walls like butter. Yeah. Pretty nice bounce off 450 there. Let's see what happens. Nah, it's below the EMA on the 15, though. That's usually donezo for me. Yeah. Usually donezo. Yeah. Have a little support right here, maybe. 74. Man, it's halting down again. Yeah, MEIP looking dead. We'll see though. WGRX. It's over. That thing gone. Yeah. Violence. Violence. It's all sellers over here. All sellers. Inshallah. Expand. Expand the replay. She rolling. You add to this yet? 3/4 in. I know, right? It's starting to seem that way. Yeah, that joke was disgusting. Disgusting. It's about to take out the high though. Maybe. Or get slapped again. Less strength on that second move up. Might be the pullback right here. That actually looks kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Toast. UABS already borderline too cheap. Man, that's pretty nice though. Whoa, hey, yeah, bro. The day is done, OG. The day is done, son. OG, like it's Friday. I ain't got no job. Ain't got nothing to do. Way to go, OG. Love to see it, bruh. Yo, UAVS looking real saucy right here. Real saucy. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I do, Paul. Kind of what I do. Man, kind of dry today. Yeah, I saw. I like that. I like. Wow, that's really nice. That was really nice. Well, that's on the one though. I ain't even trading the one. Must need to get rid of this easily. Yeah. Nah, it's cool. I don't mind at all, man. Um, this looks really cool on UABS. I like the pre-market hold a lot, especially this high right here, sitting on top of that. That looks pretty solid. I think I'd like to take this. It can not go too crazy in the next 2 minutes. Man, Red, I'm trying to enjoy your presence. I'm really trying to enjoy it. I'm trying to, you know, take the good from, the criticism. But gosh, Red. All right, bro. Holla back. Yes. Very nice. BTCF, that thing rolling. Hey, what up, Gus? Good morning. Happy Friday. Don't you do it. Don't break that low wick. Still in Greece, man. Gus is straight goals, man. Come on, pop up. Pop back up. Mm. Nah, this the I guess we are missing the reset, but the first higher high, higher low out the open over pre-market, man. I got that written down somewhere. Man, I thought about that too, Focus. Man, for real tricks. Might be. I like the buy volume coming in. I would actually not mind to what well, I'm guessing he's going now. Nah, this I'm for sure about this. As far as me feeling like this is an acceptable trade. Yeah, I mean it's got some work to do. It's got to break that last high. Well, it is super grinding though. Super grinding. Last three candles inside the same range. Huh. MEIP ended up kind of holding that support at was that six, not holding it, but it looks like it's trying to bounce over 675. Little line I had from pre-market. Audio. Where's my audio? My order field lady go. shorting every uptrend. That's a rough red candle there. What's up, technical? Yeah, BTCS has really been stretching its legs. JOBY and RCAT. Shoot, they might not get to a sell. The sell signal right there. Got the higher high on the one. Yeah. Got a line over here. Guess it don't matter because pre-market's the line for real. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Yo, what up, BLT? What's going on? WGRX, maybe more. Yeah, I see MEIP over here. I'm waiting for it to get back over the EMA. Do some work over there. Yeah, I don't trade them below $1 though, or below 2. This one right here is a stretch for me, honestly. On the paper taper. Right, Trey. Um, yeah, I think she coming down, man. Slow. 208. Keep it at 209. 207. Got the higher high, higher low on the one 2 times in a row, actually. If it doesn't break this range up here, I don't know. I don't know. What up, Ben? I hear you, sir. This is the first trade right here, BLT, so we'll see. We shall see. What kind of levels we got over here. Man, thank you for going back over my entry price. Sheesh. 236, we got a level. 36. Oh, 257. 225, 230, and 233. Yeah, bro. Top ticking the entry is the worst. Nah, that high day is too close, man. Just got in this thing. Like if it rejects high day, it's a complete fail. It is kind of GP though, huh? Come on, break that 15-minute high. That'll be awesome. 227. I didn't even know you shorted, Rob. Yeah, I guess I remember you saying you shorted. Oh, 28, 29. Come on, baby. 233. Ooh-wee. Come on, we need some Billies for the high day breakout. Quick little squeeze, man. I don't know what's on my order field, lady. Order filled. That was for you, Ben. What up? Oh wait, let me put my stop back in. Where do we put that thing? Uh, definitely can't go up to break even. That would be hella pointless. I appreciate you, man. Yeah, I'm gonna be selling. That's a pretty high volume candle there on the one. Pretty high on the five. It's getting there. Next target is 50s, but we'll watch the volume and the spikes and sell into those as well. Mm. Kind of expecting slash hoping a hold of the 225, 220 area. Um, oh, they'd be hard to borrow, huh? Yeah, I know. ABV was nice yesterday. I was a little salty for not catching that one. $40 on the stream. Hey guys, hit the like button for me, please. We are going up. Inshallah. Mm. On MEIP, golly, that thing looks under 6. That thing is cooked, man. That's a great looking short right now. Where'd you get in at, Rob? Did you say already? 6. Oh, you covered at 6. 703 cost basis. Man, that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. This is a pretty high candle there. It's very nice to have an execution up there for sure. Love top ticking them. Selling volume getting light. It's the candle right here. Uh-oh. Ah, come on, man. Ah, come on, man. Let me keep my original stop, though. I ain't doing nothing with that. What is that? 208? Three missed. What you think, technical? It's over? I like the slam hold squeeze potential at pre-market high, but I'm also very weary of that top candle, that big wick on super high volume. Yeah, it's looking bad on 15 right now. It says hard to borrow. $5.34, man. You over there killing that MEIP short. Really? I got hard to borrow right there. Now hitting the halt. Jeez. Wow. Yeah, that's what it's looking like, OG. We'll see though if we can get this bounce off pre-market. T-Low. If they did, everyone would be profitable. Well, I just play my play and take what it gives me. I got one take profit. Tis what it is. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Stop is 208. the low of my entry candle. I could have been a little more proactive though and put it under this low, but yeah, because of this volume, I feel like I could have got out at least 3/4 under there. But there we go. $106. Man, BTCS is grinding over there, boy. It's looking pretty gorge. Wow, did it really just stop me out on the penny? Why, bro? Why? Yeah, that's true, Ben. I appreciate you, man. I would have felt real silly not selling right there. VWAP 208. Oh, is that what you were trying to say, Red? 208? It wasn't a full R. Look at that. Half a R. Not that big of a deal, y'all. Less than half a R. Now we put a line over the top, wait for the EMA reset, and reassess. Check open. It sure is T-Low. Sure is. Nah, I mean it would have to do a lot, Paul, for me to get back in. It would have to do a lot, but yeah, that 15 is pretty nasty too. Everything's down now, and talking about look at T-Low. T-Low is way gone, way gone. BZAI way gone. Way gone. Yeah, this week has been crap. You talking about open focus? You gotta put the tickers in all caps, bro. I don't be thinking you're yeah, I don't be knowing what you... it didn't even register to me that you were saying a ticker. My bad, bro. That's pretty nice.
Open door stock surges, retail traders pile in 43%. No news, just reports about it going up. Nah, this is definitely the setup though. This is definitely the setup. But I mean, it's pretty extended though. I like it. I like the gap up over the red day. Well, not gap up, but the trade over the red day. Tesla, no news, bigger float, no bueno. Yeah, definitely the no news part. A little 15 back down to the EMA. That's a big move down. I think I kind of spited the 15 on this one though. But I liked how it held pre-market. We did all right. The EMA reset was hella far away though, Trey. Bro, UAVS ain't dead yet, bro. 15 still over the EMA. Like, look at BZAI. This Joker's dead. Like, look how far away an uptrend on the 15 is on this. But UAVS, I mean, this candle's atrocious. But yeah, I really just don't like these guys though. I'm starting to see. You cover that MEIP? The candle I wrote down. Yeah. See, this one got some hope. Maybe. Did BTCS have news? Nope. Stopped out at 550. Nice. Hmm. Oh, okay. I see you technical. Yeah, I mean I still like what's happening on this thing. I don't think it's not that I'm about to buy it right this moment, but I see the potential. Deactivated. Yeah, some nice little volume coming in on the buy side. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I think I could have used the EMA. Hmm. Yeah. That is a big move back to give back so much off of this high. Yeah. Low of this candle would have been a good minimum stop. Just under 220. It's not dead, bro. It's just scuba diving. Yeah, I mean, I'm just watching and conversating. No more trade. Yeah, OG. Sit on them hands, man. Just watch this stuff in Trading View or something. Right now, you think it's Pooh Shiesty? I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. I'm actually very happy. I'm happy about this trade. Took the whole of pre-market. I just, could have sold a little more. Maybe half, but got a little data for improving my back end management. It was a pretty huge spike, but I follow my rules, you know? So I'm cool. You can't fool us. uh, I don't know, man. I feel like everybody else is more so like on my team, and you're like us by yourself. 201. Yeah, I'm chilling, Paul. That's how I feel. I'm good, man. I got a half hour loss. I got to see a nice execution. I'm good, man. Bro, what does TWAP stand for again? Time weighted average. Hey, MEIP. Did you hop on MEIP? Uh, yeah, we got a minute on MEIP for me. Nuh-uh, for real? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that whole thing of trying to fool us, that statement right there is what I'm talking about. We have completely different ideas about what I'm sitting here to do. Like, you want me to chase your momentum trades while I'm sitting here waiting for a trend to start. And I'm trying to follow my rules, and you think my rules are stupid. So 720. Yeah, I mean that's probably because I'm gonna need a higher high to even think about it, and right now that level is 711. So I'm kind of thinking maybe we get I don't know, maybe a pullback at 650 to establish a lower high so that I can get a lower entry. It's kind of my hope. Yeah, no doubt, BLT. Yeah, I was thinking when I saw it, I was like, I wonder if Trey's thinking about that. But I still feel like it's a downtrend, so I'm kind of glad you didn't take it. But that's hilarious, Rob. Not the Agent Orange. Speaking of Agent Orange, Red, did you end up getting in at $2? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you gotta have Benzinga to see that news. Pimp Pickle posted it in the Discord. Let me check that out. Private placement with plans to use the proceeds to launch Litecoin treasury strategy. Everybody getting in that Bitcoin. I appreciate you, big bro. Um, yeah. What happened with VLCN yesterday, actually? That Joker did nothing, huh? Oh no. Oh yeah, it went crazy pre-market and then womp womp the rest of the day. Yeah, I remember. Okay, it's pretty much following my hope so far. We'll see. Wanted a lower high around 650. Then I can move my line in the sand down. And then we wait for the higher high. So like the yeah, cause like bro, you're in on a smaller time frame. Like my trades, I'm sitting through one or two pullbacks on the five before I get, you know, to the top of the trend. It's just different. Yeah. Tilo still dumping. Mm-hmm. Go find a bottom here. $0.02 risk. Tilo was more solid. Mm. Mm-hmm. What about this one? You trying to halt down again? Oh yeah, this is what you were just telling me about, huh? HH. It's looking kind of lame for the rest of the day. This is looking interesting though. Man, it's looking bad, huh? You think so? The only one? Mm, can't be. That wouldn't discourage me at all, though. Yo, Alex. What's up, bro? Long time no see. I love you guys. I thought you was waiting for two. Alex. Alex, like the guy on my phone, Alex. Oh, snap. What up, bro? They about to get cooked. Hey, hey, MEIP. MEIP. Dang, I didn't know I could start a poll. That's hilarious. I know it's crazy. I literally have this named Paul and Dirk. I mean, they're best buddies too, so you know it works. uh, you out of here? Yeah, OG, stop it. Waiting for 720. Go, man. Go enjoy your weekend, bro. Hit that like button for me, man. Yo, you cut this thing already, Red? I know you don't sit through no pullbacks. Yo, look at MEIP still in the game. What was the entry you were looking for? Yeah, I already know, Red. I ain't mad at that. I ain't mad at that at all. Um, for real. I appreciate you, OG. Yeah, I think you got your confirmation from Paul on that one. uh MEIP. It's the only one I got hope for now. Well, you know I'm waiting for that higher high, putting that pullback. Mess around and bust out of this pre-market line. Yo, what up, Jack? What's the word? Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. I'm waiting for it. I got my yellow line in the sand right there. Join the big pockets. UAVS. Nothing burger. Volume is dead now. Well, I guess it's not dead. It's just a lot lower compared to what it was. It's still kicking out a little bit of volume. Yeah, I sure do, bro. Black Beauty Machine. Hey. You messing with options? What you trading? Options is a whole nother world. It's like stresses me out just thinking about it. 55. Come on, bust that high. It's gonna be a high and the pre-market trend line break. I know you don't play that anymore, Trey, but you know I still like to see it. I still like to see it. I think I need to lower that anchor a bit. Yeah, there we go. Ah, come on, you can't do it. Hold 6 and get on up out of here. Oh, for real? I didn't know I needed to go digging like that. I thought it just always popped it up at the top. It says all. That means it should be under all of it. Yeah, I don't see it, bro. Oh, SEC filings. Yeah, it still ain't got nothing on here. Yeah, I think the all category shows all of it. Where you see it at? Makes it less of a mouthful. Huge bids at 596. Yeah, I just want that thing to hold 6, man, and get on up over there. Get on up over 650. 640 long. Taking the neck break of the next high. I thought you was waiting for the higher high, bro. Are you talking about for me? I like this higher low on the one over the EMA though. $15 is questionable. Definitely need that next high. You see a pattern. Okay. All right. Came up in trade ideas. Under what scan? It don't look like it's doing enough of anything to pop up on the scan right now. Yeah, UAVS is dead, son. Low flow winners. Here it come, Trey. This is it dumps. Wow. Man. Where are you long at? Did you get some off? I know you get some 160s or something. Yeah, small loss. Half an R, less than half an R. Hey, come on, bro. We just need that higher high, and engaged on MEIP, which 640. What's this high? 645 for me. Okay, that's what's up. No trade day, Alex. Yeah, I took a little something on UAVS. You were begging a bit. That's funny, Focus. Bruh. Last little sweep through 6 before the pop. Maybe. Yeah, this mug is dead. Dead. Y'all are hilarious. They do not issue confirmations. What link? HH. I don't see it in the Discord chat. Oh, you talking about the YouTube chat? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I don't see it, man. Y'all see the link? Maybe they disabled that. Maybe you can't drop links in the chat. I think it lets me drop them. You talking to me, BLT? Okay, yeah, I get it in the Discord. Am I holding? First and only publicly traded LTC holder on a national exchange. Nah, I'm not in a trade. Slam, squeeze, hold, Trey. They popped right back up. Come on, 620. Where are you seeing this? How come I don't see it? You seeing this in DOS? Huh. Oh, look at it. Get your button ready, Trey. We about to see. Man, I wish it would just pop. I don't even know. Only got 15 minutes left. Yeah. Spread's pretty tight. Well, like 3 to 5 cent. I mean, I think so. I pay for my data. I don't know. I gotta do something to get an extra book. I don't Oh no. Maybe I gotta mess with the settings or something. And UAVS at 184. I like this bottom candle with the volume. I don't know, man. I kind of see it hitting this EMA and going back down some more. The buying volume is super thin. Yeah. I don't see this breaking 188. It could happen. I know time is running out. And yeah, I think this is looking kind of good, man. Hmm. Big banks in the house. Okay. I just think this is a retracement. Oh yeah, this did get some volume come in there. Okay. Okay. Yeah, on the five, it does need a little move up. Data feed for future prices. Right. Hey, what up, Artem? Is CYCC rolling? Sure is. Not much volume though. I guess it's coming in now. Kind of. Not really. Whoa. What up, Pharaoh? Hey, here we go. Here we go. There's the higher high. Let's see if we get the pullback. Will do, Red. Yo, that thing is firing. I'm telling you. Oh, did you get in, Trey? Long, my man. Yeah, this thing gotta go way up for me to talk to it. Way up. All right, now we talking. Now we talking. But only got 10 minutes left. I know, right? It could happen. I got a 5 minute grace period if it triggers at 11. Yeah. It's gotta hold. Like if this candle don't close over 640, what is this? Mm-hmm. I mean, a little bit. Is it A quality? What, MEIP? I mean, not if it does that. That's pretty crappy. Did it stop you? Where was your stop? Check my email. 595. Okay, yeah, you good. Man. Yeah, that didn't set up well for me being able to trade this before 11 at all. Mm, yeah, I know, right? Hmm. Did it really? What do you mean it made the up move? I mean, I guess if you draw on your yeah, got the little double bottom action, starting to move up a little bit. I see that. It's just way too far gone for me though. Way too far gone. A ripple. I used to be really excited about crypto. Entering at break with trend line and retest could be a good idea. Yeah, a part of me would like to buy it just with the break of the high. Actually, the 15 is pretty cool. I like this candle right here, but when I like the 15, I can wait for the 5 to actually show me something. And it ain't showing me anything. CYCC, halted up. It could happen. Is that what you need, Trey? 712? Day trader screen ninja. I'm definitely gonna spread out though eventually, Pharaoh. Yeah, I really needed it to hold 645, and it did not. I know, right, OG? Don't even want it no more. Small caps been weak, yo. That's funny. Man, I like it on the one too, man. I really just want to take it on the 15, but we shall wait. Man, it's a nice one right here. But we shall wait. Okay, this is a trend line break on the one. That looks better. Today was Tesla day. Red said something about Tesla earlier. Wow. That's a really nice opening setup. Yeah, the part I missed, Trey, was the EMA reset. I think that's why we didn't get the follow through. It was already up pretty high and needed to come back down. But like on Tesla, you get the EMA reset here, and so that first pullback is awesome. Hey, there it goes, my 640 again. Oh no, I just don't watch Tesla. Low float trader right now. Tesla absolutely gave the confirmation though. I just wasn't watching it. Man, I just want to take it off the 15. But it ain't worth it. Yeah, it's super choppy. I got 4 green candles right now though. Adrian, what's going on? Yeah, CYCC is doing the thing right now. 4 seconds till the open. Iron 1269. Double halt. Double halt. Yeah, it looks really good on the one, man. And the 15. Like, I'm gonna miss it. But that's okay. It's okay. Date 4 surge, yeah. Short below 620. Yeah, it wouldn't take much to get there if this thing could get going. It's like third green 15 in a row though, and it ain't went anywhere. Making me suspicious. Think so. Man, what a nice daily on CYCC. Too bad that thing wasn't gapping up with volume. Man, that's why you said back to 20, huh? 1925. Man, I don't see no bids at asks at 50 at all. That's crazy. Yeah, this thing down, down, down. I don't know what to make of this. Yeah, that's all I just want to see. I want to give this thing a few more minutes, a few more candles, and just see if it'll break. But all right, OG. Thanks for hanging out, man. Congrats on the awesome day, bro. Throw a little Throw a little jiggy for you. Well, there's the bell. Yeah. I really like that 15 candle. But it's looking rough. We might be seeing Ben's idea here come into play. Wow. Dang, Ben. Dang, Ben. Yeah, no problem, OG. Enjoy your weekend, bro. Way to end the week, bro. Oof. Did you? Yeah. Slam loss. Hmm. That's a really nice call, Ben. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, at this point, I need a red 15-minute candle to print, which would be 11:15, and then who knows what the 5 will be doing at that point. Yeah, I think so too, Paul. Just wasn't meant to be. It ran so much in pre-market already, though, you know. When they run like that, it seems like more often than not, there's no follow through. Stop, no slippage. Hey, man. You talking about the Benzinga link? Oh, you want to break down this news report and why we shouldn't be looking at this? I opened it a while ago. What are we looking for? Yeah, I see it. What are we looking for? Hey, UAVS. Hold up, man. Uh, it's got so much volume over it. And it's dead. It's still doing a decent amount per candle. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, that would be rough. That would be rough. Now you just now when that happens, you just sit here hoping that it fails. Hoping that it fails. Yeah, we've been checking in on CYCC. I do like the daily on it. Wow, up to 14. Good Lord. Is this how it went up the other day? Yep, it's the same way. Just like halt, 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 halt. That's crazy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hey, UAVS looking kind of cool over here. Kind of needs to take out 2 first. Yeah, I see it technical. Mm-hmm. Overtime shift. Yeah, you did. Hmm. Still watching MEIP. I got more hope for UAVS than MEIP, but we mess around and get in UAVS and be there for the rest of the day. I really want to see it break 201. Yeah. MEIP. Yeah, it does. But that you can't get $1 out of me. There, 195. Well, like you took a couple swings on UAVS and hopped right back out, right? And it was in a pullback, right? I'm just waiting to see that it's not doing it. Like, because to me, looking at this is what I'm expecting to continue happening. So I'm not willing to buy until I start seeing the signs that it's going up. Yeah, bro, I'm not in here for a 6 cent trade. That's not my style. That's all I'm trying to explain. Guess that's enough, huh? Road. Right? Hopscotch. Double Dutch. Man, we down $22, BLT. We might have something brewing. It might MEIP kind of coming back too. Volumes, volumes looking kind of tragic though. Yeah, buddy. We done broke two 15-minute highs. Almost 198. Yeah, a little breakthrough too and just a light pullback, bro. And this thing will be ready. Yeah, I appreciate it, BLT. Yeah, I mean, the missing ingredient has definitely been the patience part. And I feel like I've made leaps and bounds in the last few weeks with that. Yeah. And it wasn't a egregious trade. I got to sell off on it. Could have been a little more aggressive with my stop, but I played my rules. I played my rules, and usually my rules out trade me. So I have no problem trading them. Yeah, yeah, I really want to see it break this little swing high on the 15. That way I'll feel like the 15 is back uptrending. And then I just need that higher low on the 5 and we good. It's Friday, so we'll hang out a little bit. What y'all got up for the weekend? Anybody doing anything cool? Yeah, that's true. But you also get more chances to lose every day too. Got to factor that in. Oh yeah. $150 at 907. You said UPXI. Boy, you believe in that ATR break. This was the move down here, bruh. It's too sketchy though. I wouldn't have liked it that much. Okay. And again, what pattern is that? Oh, you drew a little triangle. Okay, I can see it now. I'm starting to see you, Trey. I'm starting to see you, bruh. Starting to see you. Hmm. Yeah, I'm working there. Yo, the 15 is like right what I want it to be, man. And it's triggered. It just still won't stay over that range though. I'm not gonna buy it below the EMA. Okay, you got a bit easier to hit target now. I think UAVS is gonna be the one. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure. Dirk in there? Okay. That's always nice. I do like the 15, but you can hang out all day, OG. 608 stop. Yeah, that's for sure. MEIP probably gonna run super hard over over 50s, man. It ain't gonna be no pullback. It's been consolidating too long. Too long. How do you even trade CYCC though? It's open. Spreads ain't too bad. Yeah, this thing wild, bro. Mm.
Order filled.
Kind of hate buying right under 2, but I saw what I needed to see, so here we go. Thicker than a stripper. Ah, bye humbug. The biggest burr. Ugh. Yeah, one of them days. Hey man, I'm selling pops. Just give me something and I'm sell it. Let's cover that up. Damn. Well, that's how the cookie crumbles. You know, we chalk this one up to trading after 11. And I didn't wait for the two, but I mean it gave me what I wanted on the 5, but I really wanted the break of what's this? 201. It went to 2. Yeah. One of the principles behind not wanting to trade after 11 is that if I don't get an entry before then, like especially this type of entry. That's one thing that I was considering. The late entry can't be a reversal. Like coming from the lows, the late entry got to be a pullback from something that ran. You know what I mean? Like it's coming back down from highs, not pushing up from lows. But definitely need the uptrend on the 15. Then got slapped. Yeah. All right, I'm definitely done there. We'll just hold that and come back Monday. I don't get upset about the criticism. I don't know, you have a unique style of criticism like I feel like a lot of people who've been rocking with me for a long time understand my approach, and their criticism is mostly based on what they know from my approach. Because they've seen me succeed, they've seen me do well, they've seen my ups, and they see why my down is here. And so their criticism is like well informed. And I just think you just completely disagree with the idea of trend trading, and you see no good in it. So I don't know. It just, yeah, I don't know. Man, I just knew this thing was going to walk too. You too, bro. Yeah, that's what it's seeming like. And then MEIP still over here. You still in? It didn't stop you out, did it? Oh no, you were at 608 or something, huh? Held 610. Okay, that's what's up. You down for some molasses? The 15 just looks really good. Well, actually, it's not great until 666. 666. That's what I should have waited on, was that higher high on the 15. I'm learning a lot from the 15. A lot. Yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Nice. Been in the red this whole time. Just holding on to that stop loss. I feel it. Man, this thing kind of holding. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm actually in regret of trading past 11. Y'all got to try a little harder to stop me next time. Top tick the entry, bro. One thing I've been thinking about on that is when the entry on the 5 is like the 5th green candle up on the 1, like just wait. Not to say that's what you did, but I've done it a lot, and it ends up being a top tick because it's time for the pullback on the 1 minute, you know. So it's a lot to this thing. Cookies and coffee. I know it's too late now because I was just watching the good entry right here. Yeah. over this candle over 1666. That's kind of strange, yo. Got 666 right here and 1666 over there. Means it's time to go. Yeah, that's the one I was talking about. It's too late now. Let's join on the 5. Okay, yeah, I guess if we're looking at the 5, but it just feels way high. Way high. Yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I've been finding the things. Open wasn't bad. I've been finding a lot of the things that I didn't see before, that which is why I'm taking so many less trades. It's just I'm seeing the things that disqualify the trades, and I'm not entering without the boxes getting checked. As far as definitely on the 5, I just started adopting the 15, like in a major way. And one thing I'm still kind of missing is I'm still kind of spiting the 15. And mostly because I feel like my signal on the 5 is more important to me because I trade the 5. But that's kind of stupid because the 15 is stronger than the 5, right? The higher time frames carry more weight than the lower time frames. Um, so like here, from pre-market, we got high. We got a high. I guess we can call that a high. And then, or we can even not worry about that one. But still no higher highs yet on MEIP, and really same thing for UAVS. This looks like oh yeah, I'm reading the chart wrong, and like this, I don't know about getting in there. Oops, how do I dump it all? um but like this one, you got high of day there, and then what I would consider a lower high there and a lower high there. So I mean, technically we're downtrending on the 15. A higher low though after the bounce would be cool, which we kind of have right here. Yeah, go for it. Now it's looking a lot better. Over 2. Yeah. And this over 666, I would say for sure it's uptrending. This thing is just dying. Like, the one looks solid. It's holding up. It's got a slight little ascension happening. I think we might be cool, Trey. Well, I don't know. It's definitely any man's game at this point. Yeah. Yeah, it being under the EMA on the 20s is sketchy for sure. 638. What you mean? You sold? $11.15 can. Oh, okay, I got you. Ah, okay. Your entry 638. What time frame you on? Technical. Yeah, CYCC going crazy. That thing probably gonna run right past that. Yeah, the other day's high. 1 minute. Okay. 638, 644. Yeah, but I can't. I don't. It's hard for me to taking the levels on the one when I'm trying to hold for basically a move on the 15. You know. Um, yeah, I think so too. You still in it? There it is, man. Dang, Rob. Yeah, this higher low right here was nice. Was that a double top? 1766, 73. Yeah, this was it right here for sure. Mm-hmm. 11, 17, 11, 18. Oh, this is the two. Hmm. Mm. You just holding on like waiting for that bus to hit you. That sucks. I appreciate how you standing on business. Ooh, that might have been a few cents slip right there. What'd you feel? 606 ain't the worst. Halt to the downside. Wow. That's what's up. I know, Paul. It's just like, bruh, it's been really tough, man. It's been really tough. Okay, that's what's up. Hmm. No, broke that triangle technical. Look like it's time for the RSI to take a dip to the downside too. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now, technical. I like your candle colors. I see you don't use any oh no, I see a little moving average in there. What's that VWAP? That line in there, technical? Yeah, this VWAP trend week bear. What software is this? Oh, the candles themselves are indicators. TOS. Hmm. Dark green dual crossover, light green three crossover. Hmm. That's cool. Hmm. Pink is oversold. Hmm. Yeah, I'm learning so much about this 15-minute chart. It's most heavily I've been trading the five, but like kind of attracted to the one. But lately my watch charts have been on the 15. And so I won't even really get interested. Like when I see the 15 looking good, I'll switch my watch chart to the five on that ticker. But I'm still ignoring things on the 15. So I'm gonna do a lot of digging through my journal this weekend. And yeah. Basically the objective for me lately has been figuring out how to stop taking the bad trades. And still taking a couple, but the frequency has gone way down. So I'm making progress in that regard. At the same time, it feels like the market is just not trending at all. Like everything's popping in pre-market, and then we got like slim pickings unless you're a scalper after the open. So that's been kind of sucky. Just not really seeing any good opportunities to, feel good about the strategy. But the fact that it's keeping me out of a lot of trades is good enough. I wasn't talking to you, Red. um, but yeah, my problem this whole time has been over trading, and so yeah, making huge strides in that. CYCC. And not selling. Yeah, that's true, Red. That's true. I did good today, though. That's what I'm saying. Today was a dub. I could have done without the second trade, but the second trade, I learned something from it. So, it's still a dub to me. Today was a good day, man. Um, I love the pre-market hold, but I gotta have the reset still. That's what I missed, Trey. You called it, Trey. You didn't say the word, but you seen it. You said what's the setup, you know. Um, yeah, I could have sold it all, but I'm looking for the trend. So I'm hoping that we were gonna hold pre-market high and then start, a series of higher highs and higher lows. The difference is usually I don't do anything and I'm waiting for 250 or, whatever support or level that I have in my heart to sell at, and I just sit and wait. But I sold that first pop. So for me, Well, yeah, but I have rules for my stop. So I don't, my stop is not like a live order that I just move around and jump out when I see something bad happening. Cause I get my stop tiptoed all the time, stop placement for the win. So my stop rules are good. I'm good with my stop rules. Not that I'm not up for, making modifications as data comes in, but for now, I like, you know, getting in, putting my stop under what I feel is support and leaving it there until there's a new level of support to move it up to. Nah, shit, that last one was a full R. Yeah, that last one hurt. That last one hurt. That was a full R on that last one, bro. might even, might even got some slippage. Nah, it was a clean 50 because I was negative 22 on that first trade. I got you. Hey, Adrian, welcome to the Discord, bro. That's what's up. It was 1,000. I had a thou wow. um, what we looking at? Technical. Yeah, appreciate you joining up, man. We got an awesome crew in there. It's really chill. Got the futures channel that's pretty much going. Y'all in the futures channel, bro. Y'all it be like 8 o'clock and I'm still getting the futures notifications. Y'all be at it. And then like, when's the future market open in the morning? Cause y'all be at it super early too, bro. Futures channel be lit. Hey, look at this thing now, bro. Now the 15 is now we got the higher low off the EMA. Now we got the EMA retest on the 15 and it's triggered on the 15. Now it's cooking. So light green, you said light green is the triple crossover? Yeah, I know. That's the thing about it. You just don't know when it's gonna happen. I know. Literally almost lunch. Hmm. So what's the light blue? Thicker than a stripper. I know. uh, thicker than a stripper named Snicker. 193. Money flow index. What's that? 193. Why 193, Red? Oh, I guess I'm probably need to look at a lower time frame, huh? Hmm. Hmm. So that one seemed better than the crossover. Is it? Cause boy, after that Joker turned light blue, that thing ran. And then you pull back and get a crossover. Hmm. Yo, the 15 is nice on here. Over 2, that thing is ready. No. The lower indicator is TTM squeeze. This right here? Oh, this isn't RSI? No, clearly it's not RSI actually. OBV on balance volume. Hmm. Really? 5 seconds. Big old candle came in with the slap. It's still cool until 191 breaks. Real quick. My boy just called me like, "Hey, I just got an alert on my phone that slap boxing is on tonight. We watching it." Hilarious. Yeah, this thing done. All right. Well, we got yeah. I'm happy with the day. I do wish I didn't trade after 11. That's the only thing. I want to take trades where there's no reason for regret if I lose. If I trade after 11 and it doesn't work, I'm automatically going to be like, I shouldn't have traded after 11. Even though the time isn't the issue. I don't feel like time was the issue with this trade. It was the fact that it was still downtrending on the 15. But still. You guys really keep the life in the chat. All right, bet. I don't see it. Where'd the other one go? Was I not looking there? Yeah. But yeah, there's no hmm. It's a wrap. Nah, I'm putting the end to that right now, Trey. Pooh Shiesty's out of here. Out of here. No more Pooh Shiesty. That's gonna be my trigger word to calm me down. I don't want to be Pooh Shiesty anymore. No Pooh Shiesty.
What we got technical?
What is this stuff? Okay. Sure ain't got nothing crazy up here now. It's Doctor. Dang. Put the nameplate on them. Knees. What you on, Focus? Just 2 cents. Mr. Doctor. Man, that's so beautiful. I remember the entry. Where's the entry? Way over here, bro. Stop it. Stop it. Above the arrow, green candle is entry. Oh, this the entry. Is this the entry up here? Up arrow, green candle. Exit down arrow. So this is the entry way over here. It's red though. It's a red arrow. Bro, this is the entry right here. What's this dash line? Wow. Right. I didn't even know you could do all this with your candlesticks. Oh yeah, that's what's up. Ain't nothing like a mentor, bro. I gotta resend Rob my email. I'm trying to recruit him as a mentor. We can't get the emails going though. I gotta resend that joint. Yeah, I know what you mean, technical. All right, y'all. The market is going to lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and call it, man. Had a great time with you guys. You guys make every trading session awesome. Appreciate you coming to hang out, man. Hope you guys had a good time too. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. We here every market open. Discord links in the description. It's where we kick it. And yeah, man, hope you guys have a great weekend. Be safe out here, protect the bag, and See y'all Monday. I'll leave the stream going so y'all can finish duking it out in the chat though. Needs works every time. Later, y'all. Peace.